When you want your meat to be flavorful, marinate 24 hours before. Worst case scenario, 2 hours before cooking. So this is pork. We're about to cook it for dinner. When you want to grill meat which is too oily, you can put cling on your tray so that it does not get too much oil and it is easier to clean. When you want to grill, try and place the tray in the middle of the oven. You can see these two and these two. So it's in the middle and you have already laid down the foil. Then you can easily place your meat on the grill for grilling. You can see that. So whatever drips will drip in the foil, not in your tray. Yeah. Use long tongs to turn your meat for your safety so that you don't burn here when you're using short tongs. Of course, also use the tongs to remove the meat from the grill. To cut the ribs, you use this. Let me show you. So you have this. You put it inside, somewhere inside, you see, like that, so that it's stable. Then you cut. Like that. You can see your hands are safe and your outcome is there. If you want the best chapati dough, make sure you prepare the dough at least 2 hours before you cook. Worst case, at least 30 minutes. Whether you're using hot, cold, warm, whichever kind of water. For me, I use cold water and my chapatis turn out perfect. So don't worry, whichever water you use, what matters is the consistency and the way you mix the dough. You know a good dough when you're kneading it. You can see it's just flowing. If it's not okay, it will come back. It will not be flawless. You can see. Yeah. So this makes your work very easy when you make the perfect consistency. Don't use your knife to cut the dough. Use the pizza cutter. It's available everywhere. Let me show you why. You can see it's coming. When I cut with this one, you see how easy it is. You see what I get? You see what I got here and what I got here. Someone might ask, how many chapatis did you make with that dough? Yes, those are 6 and a small one. Clean your cooking pan every time you want to use it, whether you had cleaned it after the last use or not. This ensures that in case there is anything that has come into contact with the pan, it's cleaned. For those who are still using this black pan for chapatis, I don't think I can use any other. Let me know how many we are in the comment section. You can see the outcome, perfect chapatis. And of course, the flour is only 1 X by Unga all-purpose flour.